Hello, good morning, everybody. I have something very funny to say, but then it's not very funny, but it's funny in a way. So, it's about fart, burp, sneeze, and all those natural things that humanity has. I mean, like, it's not just humanity, it's like the entire earth. We all, we all fart, burp, and have these natural things in us that we must release, you know? And if I happen to be burping or maybe toot or whatever, what have you, just embrace it. But the only time I would not do it if it's because during eating and during conference or anything that needs high respect. Those are the places that you need discernment in regards to. When you're out in public, open air, why not? Just embrace it. And I want you guys to know that you should never be ashamed of any of these natural things that human were born to have. Dogs, cats, animals, even plants has it, but you just don't see it. Yeah. And, or you could make it funny, like you go like this and then go toot. Oh, and also don't force it, because if you force it, you don't know what else that's gonna come out. I mean, like, especially the toot. Don't force it, trust me. Because something else might come out instead of the toot. Alright? Or you could do that Marilyn Monroe thing, like, like that. You could do that too. And then go burp. Did I just burp? Anyways, just want to let you guys know, and just don't hold it in, please, because it's not good for you. You need to let it out, or do it quietly if you could. But the only time that I would think that sometimes it's hard to hold it in, or just if you want to, like, I don't know, if you're in a conference or whatever, and just see